Mwakulio kukonia muungamo wa mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka maunduni maoneni na kiuteti no maendeye kwete sula mbia mathayuni ma NND aingi kwa ivinda ingi Kalonzo ona Itina kwivita kulea kuvika interview ila yiungua nzama ye Mwanya ya kuza kwa Munini wa musumbe wa Raila Odinga aithi uvathukanu na muungamo huu na wa ateimake yoniki Kalonzo wosie itambia ye na kuvika mbe wanza maino Benjamin Mwaka no kutusungia makulio a onde.
Itina wandongo ya chama cha Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka kwa kanyowaka kwivita ndena saasi ya kwikithio interview takulutu wi usenyo munene kwa ateimake ateti na NND kumwana vikite kioko mbe wanza maimwana ya kumuniva Munini wa musumbe wa Raila Odinga. Ni chaucho kila kivendukie na kutuma Kalonzo ose tambia dhihe.
I know that you may want to ask a question. You had said you are not coming. And I want to tell you that the decision to come was my decision because I realized we didn't want to give anybody an excuse whatsoever to say aligomea kuja. So I'm here and I can tell you it has been a wonderful conversation.
Mautumani maingivyo mama kilima NND tino akisezeke cha Mutongo TV kutanga Kalonzo no amina uvikambe wanza mae masani makioko mayona nyo dhatu mwinge maiweta Kalonzo no vudhani ye hate imake na ange maiweta ndesa kuikika ndhino wa miungamo ya kiuteti.
Please listen to me. I've had a very useful 2-hour conversation with the panelists led by Mheshimiwa Noah Wekesa. 2-hour conversation which was very useful, I believe. And because I'm not at liberty to divulge the contents of that conversation, I stress conversation, not an interview. Wazee kama Bishop Njenga, Archbishop Zacharias Okoth, I looked at that in my own mind and I said, why would I not want to go and greet Archbishop Okoth at his age? Therefore, I had to take that decision, and I want to ask that all my supporters who had given me their interview, even the conclusions of those interviews, were carried forward.
Kwa ivinda yasa muungamo wa Kalonzo Musyoka withiitwo ikuno ivinda kauta ni governor wa kaunti ya Kitui Mwandu Charity Kaluki Ngilo.
Na niwe nasia mutongoi au ngama no lumu akasia ngathi kana ndithi indi andu maitwa namo ni matwiki ya fitina muno indi mutongoi ni wotongoya siano na kamea woni weto ilekwe
mwana wa Munini wa Raila Odinga kwa vanendo weto kwithwa welekele kwa mutetu kumelembetana ya kiimani ateti madhakaroa chama cha na Kenya muyumbe watene Peter Kenneth minister wa wimi Peter Gatira Munya governor Nakuru Lee Kinyajui na ndongo ya kauyu ya kaunti ya Murang'a Sabina Chege mainenga Kalonzo kivalua kinene chako kitia mwana o.
It is important to realize that Mount Kenya is a vote-rich area. It is also important that the opposition has had a field day in Mount Kenya, but it is also important to accept that the Azimio candidate is on an upward trajectory in Mount Kenya area. And therefore, that by being vote-rich has its own considerations, but it's not a must, but it has its own considerations. And anybody who is doing mathematics will place Mount Kenya as a priority.
Dongo inge hilasi avikambe wanzama ikwe omonde ni gavana wa Kitui Mwandu Charity Kaluki Ngilo. Usungio wa muthio wanzama ye mwana uthikuatio kwa lulanganda sia kiuteti ilembetani ya ukamba.
Na makulwa la nakulwa ni na masungia nesa. Na nundu ina masungia nesa ni nisikana. Ni nguthi kwoswa. Na nakulwa alanisi na nasi miakani ya kwa mingi ni mutongo ini na manye kuthukuma serikali ni nene kuthukuma na ndisi anza na kuthukuma na ndisi andi ya kuya itu na nini se kuthukuma na county na chuni choke ndeka ni kana withie itu nya kwika maundu ala musumbe witu ukie namo ma manifesto yake.
Dongo kauta hilasi kete hukulyo kwa mwana wa Munini wa president beno ngwata ni chama ya Azimio One Kenya nisi evitaka na hedwasi vikiena kusakwa sina yesilia ya kuivetanga beno ngwata ni na kana siende ya kukwata mbau utetu wa usumbe wa Raila Odinga masembani amande makivela cha usumbe ndilivoti ya vilingo wa mauvo kumava musieni wa Ilovi nyenita wa Benjamin Mwaka.